So guys, today is the day 3. In day 3, we are going to talk about Agile methodology. Okay. Does anyone knows something, anything, okay, not something, anything about Agile methodology, guys? Before going into the session, does anyone knows anything about the Agile methodology?
Yes, I know little bit.
Who is that?
Pension.
Kanchan. Okay. Yes, Kanchan, can you say something?
Yeah, Agile methodology is methodology to deliver software, uh, and it there is 6 stages. It's follow SDLC, six
Mhm.
stages.
Okay.
And in Agile methodology, we are going to deliver
Mhm.
project in a software in a pieces, and that is delivered by every end of the sprint. It is a iterative and incremental process.
Implemented process. Right. Now I will teach these things. Same. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. What is meant by agile
I am
methodology?
right.
Yes, yes. Sorry, Kanchan?
I am right till
Yes.
now.
Yes, yes, you are right. You are right. You said the whole definition. I'm glad to hear that. Okay. Yes. Let me improve my volume as well. I think I'm on 50. Okay, guys. So the thing is like agile methodology. Okay, agile methodology is a iterative process. Simply, it is an iterative process. What does it mean by iterative? Iterative is nothing but if you do some work today, just consider you went to college, guys, engineering college, right? We went to engineering colleges, right? On the day one, we went to engineering college, right? And day two, what you do? You woke up, you brush your teeth, you go to bath, you eat tiffin, and day two also you will go to college. Like that, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 100, right? Every day you will go to college. That is called iterative. And what is meant by process? Process is nothing but you are not going to college simply, right? Why we are going to college? To study. That is called the process. Okay? And agile methodology is iterative process, and we can by using agile we can deliver work in a sprint wise. Okay, in a sprint wise, and it is a continuous continuous improvement. Okay, what how we can deliver the work in a sprint wise? What does it mean by sprint? Okay, sprint is nothing but, just consider there is a Olympics are going on. Okay, what does in running race, what we are calling it as 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, 400 meters, right? Like that, that is called, this 100 meters is called as a sprint. Okay, in this sprint, what we are doing, we are running we are running and getting the medal, right? Here also the same thing. In a sprint, that means this 100 meters we are calculating here in 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, and 4 weeks, right? How we are doing this? By using some frameworks, guys. Okay, I will say about those frameworks. Give me some time, right? And what is meant by continuous improvement? Okay, continuous improvement is nothing but, I told you here, we are working in a sprint wise. Just consider sprint length is 1 week. Actually, in running, sprint length is 100 meters, right? But here, our sprint length is 1 week. That means we are working in a week. We are working for 1 week. For that too, iterative process. Every day we are working, right? Saturday and Sunday is a holiday. We are not working. 5 days we are working and completing some work. After what we are doing, guys? We are going for the sprint 2. And what we are doing? We are doing the iterative process. Right, guys? Like that, we are in sprint 1, we have delivered 5 tickets. In sprint 2, what we are doing, guys? We are delivering another 5. That is called as continuous improvement. Delivering the piece of software continuously is called as continuous improvement. Up to here, understand, guys? Any doubts? Kanchan?
No.
Yes. Surabhi?
Understood, Manoj.
Okay. Hari? No, Hari is not there. Vijay? Any doubts?
No, no, Manoj, clear.
Okay. Kiran?
No, Manoj.
Okay. Right. Previously, we talked about waterfall methodology. If you come here, under waterfall methodology, we don't have any frameworks, guys. Okay, we don't have any frameworks. But coming to agile methodology, okay, we have frameworks. Manoj, what is meant by framework? I don't have any idea about framework, right? Okay, we will, guys, Kanchan, you know cricket?
Yeah.
Surabhi?
Yeah, Manoj.
Okay, right. In India, we have BCCI. Okay, this is the board, guys. Sorry, ICC, Indian Cricket Council. Okay, this is called the board. Okay, under this board, we are having many teams, guys. Okay, like Punjab team. Okay, like what we can say, uh, international cricket team, Group A, Group B, under 19, right? Under 21. These are all called as teams, guys. ICC is the board. Okay, what is this ICC is doing? ICC is maintaining all the boards by keeping some rules and regulations. Okay, here also in IT industry, this board is nothing but agile methodology, guys. This agile methodology, sorry guys, will keep some rules and regulations under some frameworks. We are having different types of frameworks. Okay, these frameworks, this is not a framework, guys. I'm sorry. We are having different types of frameworks. By using these frameworks, what we are doing, guys, we are working under agile methodology with agile rules and regulations. Okay, what are the frameworks, Manoj? Right. Coming to the first one, we are going to call it as Scrum. Second one is Kanban. The third one is Lean. The fourth one is XP. XP is nothing but extreme programming. Extreme programming. And fifth one is APF. APF, adaptive project framework. All right, adaptive project framework like TDD, test driven development, like that. We are having different types of frameworks, guys. And now in the current market, we are having some other framework that is called as SAFe. Right now, we are working on SAFe also. That is of around 5% in India. Okay, just consider 100% of companies are there. From past 3 years, we evolved into 5% into SAFe. Okay, Manoj, what is SAFe? Or now we are learning about Scrum framework, right? But you are saying SAFe. Yes, guys. Right now we don't require SAFe. Okay, many companies are not evolving into SAFe, but I will explain about the SAFe as well. It is very easy, guys. There are some small changes. That's it. But coming to the Scrum framework, we have to learn full-fledged. If you learn Scrum framework, then only you can understand Kanban and you can understand SAFe. Okay, guys? Understood or not? Any doubts?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes, Kanchan,
Yes.
Surabhi, Vijay.
So in agile
Yes,
methodology,
Manoj.
Mhm,
they are going to ask what is agile,
mhm.
this
Yes,
type of question or anything else.
yes, sir. What is Agile? That's it. I will show you the question. Okay, where is Scrum Master? Frequently asked questions. Control S. Correct. Agile methodology. See here. This is waterfall. And for waterfall, we are going to have the Agile method. Like it. I think I kept in another material. This. Let me check in another materials also. See here. What is meant by Agile methodology? Right? What you said, right? Whatever now we have learned, we are going to explain the same thing. But the things are like we are going to describe in a definition way under Agile methodology. What we have, guys? We are having different types of frameworks, right? Under that framework, what we are going to do, see here, what do all Agile frameworks have in common, right? See here, Scrum, Kanban, XP, right? These are some of the frameworks, right? By using these frameworks, we are working, guys. If you don't know anything about these frameworks, uh, it's really hard for you. Uh, Right, guys? So this is the definition of the agile. The agile approach is a specific project management approach used for software development. This approach assists team in responding to software uncertainly. It uses a growing, increasingly sequential work sequence known as a sprints. Right? In layman teams, it is a type of a project management. See, if you feel that this is a hard for you, skip it, guys. Okay, Manoj, I want to follow the Google. Go for Google, right? I copied from Google only, right? Water, oh, sorry, Agile, right? Agile methodology. See here, Agile methodology is a iterative and flexible approach to project management, especially in software development. Whatever you like to read, if you want to go for Greeks of Greeks, go for Greeks of Greeks. Or if you want to go for Simply Learn, you can go for Simply Learn. Right? There are a lot of websites here. See, Simply Learn is there. Lot of websites are there. Whatever you want to go, wherever you want to go and study, you can go and study there. I will give you questions and answers as well. If you want to study in my material, you can study. If not, copy and paste the question in Google. Try to make your own notes. No problem in that, guys. I don't want to say that if you read in my material only, you will get it. No, it's not like that. The Scrum Master job is like what you understand. Okay, that is the thing. Understood, guys?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes, Kanchan?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Since
we have to explain in what we are doing as a Scrum Master.
no. If anyone asks you about what is agile methodology, right? You have to say that agile methodology is a project management approach, and it is an yeah, please mute yourself. And it is an iterative, and by using this agile methodology, we are going to have continuous improvements by using sprints. Under agile methodology, we are having different types of frameworks. In that frameworks, we are having mainly Scrum framework, Kanban, XP, Lean, and some other frameworks, right? Coming to the Scrum framework, what we are going to do in Scrum framework is also one of the project related framework. Under Scrum framework, we are having different types of uh, ceremonies. Okay, those ceremonies are sprint planning meeting, like that. You have to explain all those things. Sprint planning meeting, right? Sprint retrospective, sprint review, right? And daily scrum. You have to explain all those things.
So we have four ceremonies.
No, five.
Five.
Yes, we
Which
have five ceremonies. Who said you four, Kanchan?
I read.
No. There are five ceremonies. Okay, let me show you. Ceremony is nothing but an event, guys. See here, five ceremonies. Okay, the first one is called as a sprint. In outside market, no one is saying about the sprint. Sprint is nothing but the length, guys. The length which we are working. That is also a ceremony. Sprint planning meeting, daily stand-up meeting, sprint review meeting, sprint retrospective meeting. Okay,
So
we are
how
going.
can we define a sprint?
Sorry.
How can we define a sprint? The
Yes,
length of the sprint.
yes, basically we are not defining, guys. As a developer or as a scrum master, we are not defining the sprint length. Initially, this length will be decided by the product owner and clients. Okay, if they says that 3 weeks, okay, we have to work for 3 weeks of length. Based upon that 3 weeks of length, we are going to planning these four. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these things are depends upon this sprint length. Okay, someone what they are saying, there is this is not a ceremony, sprint is not a ceremony. No, guys, we are having five ceremonies. If anyone says you there is only four ceremonies, trust me, guys, you can't able to get the job. Okay, someone will say four, someone will say five. Okay, in Google also we are having I know that you got this doubt from the Google ceremonies.
I have heard backlog, not a sprint.
No, backlog refinement. Okay, you heard about the backlog refinement, am I right or wrong?
Actually, there was one pick. On this pick, there is a backlog, and then sprint planning, daily stand up, sprint review, and a sprint retrospective.
See, this backlog refinement is not an event, guys. Okay, it is an unofficial meeting. Okay, it is an unofficial meeting. That's why we are not talking about this backlog refinement. Let me show you backlog refinement. It is not the meeting, guys. It is a ceremony, but it is not included in the ceremony spaces. Okay, what is the 15 shit? Okay, let me show you here five ceremonies. See what you got here. Can you read it out?
Yeah, sprint itself.
Sprint planning, daily scrum, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and the sprint. Okay, these are also a commonly performed activity called product backlog refinement. Okay, there is also a commonly performed, right? But this is not a ceremony, guys. Okay, hello.
Okay.
Okay, this is not a ceremony. Okay, this is an unofficial meeting. Okay, we don't say these things. Okay, if you say in this interview now, you will get rejected simply. That is not a ceremony. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is yeah, understood. You might have seen somewhere uh, product backlog. Sorry, backlog refinement is also one of the meeting. No, guys, it is one of the unofficial meeting. Okay, you can see in anywhere in YouTube also. You can see, no problem in that. Everyone will say about that. Okay.
Okay, no issue. You can go with your flow.
Yes, yes, yes. Go through it once. Go through it. How we are doing this backlog repair. Okay, right, guys. And now you understood about the frameworks also, right? But now considering now now in the current market, we are not using these frameworks, guys. Okay, we are not using these frameworks. Currently, we are having only these three frameworks. Okay, one, two, and three. Why, Manoj? Why these different types of frameworks are there, right? Why we are not using those frameworks? Those are like outdated frameworks, guys. Right now in the current market, those are outdated frameworks. Previously, we do have different types of frameworks. If you see in this diagram, we do have different types of frameworks and different types of percentages. 52 is Scrum framework, 14 is Kanban, 9% XP, 8% Lean, okay, and 3% Scrum Ban. Okay, like that we are going to use. But right now in the current market, if you ask me, this 52 is of 95 percentage is Scrum, guys. 95 percentage is Scrum right now in the current market. Why, Manoj? Because these other frameworks are outdated. They were gone. No one is using these frameworks, right? Now 90 to 95 percentage the people are using Agile methodology. Under Agile methodology, we are having 90 to 95 percentage Scrum framework. Remaining 2 to 3 percentage Kanban, and remaining 5 percentage is safe. Okay, guys, understood? Any doubts? If you want me to show in the diagram also, I can show you. Surabhi?
Yeah, understood, Manoj.
Yes. Kanchan, understood? Do you want me to draw the diagram?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. What about you, Kiran and Vijay?
Yeah, fine, Manoj.
Yes. What about you, Kiran?
Yeah, clear, Manoj.
Okay, then. Right. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to learn about the framework, guys. Okay. That is Agile methodology frameworks. Okay. So, if you see here, initially the framework will be like this, guys. Okay. Scrum framework will be like this. Under Agile methodology, if you can see here, this is the Scrum framework, guys. So right now I'm going to teach you this frame. Okay, this is the Scrum framework. Let me draw you a little bit clearly. Right. So this is the Scrum framework. Okay, how initially what we have, guys, to start a project, what we required, Kanchan?
Requirements, business
Requirement.
requirement,
Yes. Who is going to write here initially?
business analyst, I think.
Business analyst, right? Where in waterfall methodology. Okay, but here the roles are changed. Here the requirements will be written by the product owner. Okay, previously Manoj, you said that if we have 100% of requirements only, we are starting the project. Right or wrong? Did I say it like that?
Yes.
Yes. But coming to agile methodology, the things are different. Okay. What this agile methodology people are saying, no need to have 100% of requirements. Okay. To start the project, we don't require 100% of requirements. Then how much we require? Initially, if we have 25% also, we can work, guys. Okay. Initially, if we have 25% of requirements, we can work. What about the remaining percentage, Manoj? What we are doing here? We are working in a sprint wise. Am I right or wrong, guys? Based upon this sprint, just consider to complete all these tickets. Okay, we are going to have a time of 6 months. In 6 months, we are going to complete all those things. Okay, for the next 6 months, what we do? We will gather some other requirements. Am I right or wrong, Kanchan? First
Yes.
six, first 6 months, we are creating these requirements. Now, product owner won't sit idle. What he will do? He will write requirements for another 6 months. Okay, that's why agile methodology is successful. Manoj, I didn't understand anything. Okay, I will explain more clearly. Just now understand about to start a project, we are going to have a backlog of items. If you if you want to start a project, no need to have 100% in agile methodology. Initially, if we have 20 to 30% also, more than enough. Understood, guys? Kanchan, understood?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes. Who is the responsible person for here? Product owner, guys. Okay. Product owner is responsible for product backlog items. Okay, Kanchan? Hello?
Okay.
Yes. Surabhi, understood?
Yes, Manoj.
Kiran,
So,
understood?
product owner is responsible to gather the information
Hmm?
or prepare the backlog.
Yes.
Both.
Yes. Product owner will contact the clients, guys. And whatever the client says, okay? Whatever the client says, yeah, please mute yourself, Kanchan. One second. Yes. Whatever the client says, he will gather all the requirements and he will he will bring those requirements and keep it in the Jira, guys. And he will keep it in the Jira backlog. Okay, na? He will keep in the backlog items. Where backlog, Manoj? This is called the backlog, guys. Okay. Here we are having two different types of backlogs. I will tell you all this. Okay. Give me a second. Kanchan, understood? Yes. Previously, who brought the requirements in waterfall methodology? Business analyst. But here, product owner.
So, in Scrum, there is in Agile methodology no role of BA.
No role of BA. No role, Kanchan.
Okay.
Okay. There is no role of business analyst. Instead of business analyst, we have a product owner. Okay. Manoj, what is the major difference product owner and the business analyst? Business analyst, he is only giving the requirements, guys. He is not interacting. But coming to Agile, product owner will give the requirements and he will interact with the team members as well. Okay, na? That is the major thing. Now we are keeping all the requirements here, right? This is called as product backlog. Okay, guys, this one we are going to call it as product. Okay, I will change the color, guys. This color is not effective. Okay, product backlog. Okay, product owner is keeping the requirements and we are working on that requirements. That is called as product backlogs. And we are not responsible, guys. Scrum Master and development team is not responsible for product backlog. Okay, why, Manoj? Why? Because the reason behind is we are not gathering these requirements. Am I right or wrong, Kanchan? Did we gather these requirements?
No, Manoj.
No.
No.
Who gathered these requirements? Kiran?
Product owner.
Product owner.
Product owner. Product owner gathered the requirements. Right? Now, who will be the responsible? Product owner is responsible. Right? So, initially, product owner has written here Bhagavad Gita. Okay? No problem. Right? It is for us, no problem. When we are going to be responsible, Manoj, we are going to have another backlog. Right? That is called as sprint backlog, guys. We are going to call that as sprint backlog. What is this sprint backlog, Manoj? Okay, here what we did, guys, what I said, for the product backlog. Okay, for the product backlog, product owner is responsible. For the sprint backlog, Scrum Master and development team is responsible. Okay, coming to here, product owner is not responsible, guys. For the sprint backlog, product owner is not responsible. Only Scrum Master and developers are required. Sorry, are responsible. Coming to the product backlog, Scrum Master and developers are not responsible. Understood? Surabhi?
Yeah.
Okay. Surabhi, understood? Kanchan?
Yes.
Yes. Right, guys? What we are doing here now? Now, initially, what we are doing now, what I said previously, product owner has written Bhagavad Gita here. Okay. Now, what the product owner is saying, he brought some requirements here and saying that to develop the Bhagavad Gita. Are we going to develop Bhagavad Gita, guys? Surabhi, you have to
We are
speak up.
going to develop piece of Bhagavad Gita.
How? Initially, this project is Amazon. How can you develop the Bhagavad Gita?
Whatever requirement gathered by the project owner.
No. It's not the thing. Okay. Yes, I will. Yes, we can have the conversation with Surabhi. Okay. She is the Scrum Master. Surabhi?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes. The thing is like this project name is Amazon. Okay.
Okay.
The project name is Amazon. Amazon is nothing but e-commerce website. Now,
Yeah.
product owner brought some requirements to the sprint backlog, and he is saying that this is Bhagavad Gita. Okay, the project name is Bhagavad Gita, and please develop this. Are we going to develop the Bhagavad Gita?
No, I
No.
don't think so.
Yes, we don't. Why? Because we have some requirements, guys. We have some requirements. What are those requirements, Manoj? That is called as FRD. Previously I said, right? Product owner, sorry, architect will design some other documentation and he will give to us to have some understanding. Yes or no? On waterfall methodology, I said, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, here also the same thing. We are going to have the documentation of Amazon. If you can see here, Amazon.com. This is the documentation. What we did previously, we read about this. Okay, we read about this, and after reading all this documentation, we haven't found anything about Bhagavad Gita. Now, Manoj, you said that whatever product owner gives to us, we have to develop. Yes, if the project is Bhagavad Gita, we have to develop Bhagavad Gita. But it is not Bhagavad Gita. What it is? Amazon project, right? We have some proofs, right? Am I right or wrong? We have some proof. Without having this proof, if he gives to us and develop, then we will develop. Now what we have some proofs in our hand. Right or wrong, guys? Kanchan?
Yes.
Yes, we have some proofs in our hand. Now what we will do? We will raise another questions. Okay, you are giving these requirements. From where did you brought these requirements? We have this FRD. Based upon this FRD, we are going to develop the project. But from where did you brought these requirements? Product owner. Now he will say to us, no, 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 this is not here. We are given some other thing. No, we should ask with the clients as well. In this time, we are going to call the clients also. Am I right or wrong? Surabhi, we are going to have the client discussions, right?
Yes.
That is called as product backlog refinements. Okay, before starting the sprint, we are going to have some refinement sessions. Okay, based on that refinement sessions, we are going to develop the project. Am I right or wrong, Surabhi?
Yes, Manoj.
If you whenever we done the refinements, we don't have these things. Now we got it. Are we going to accept these tickets?
Yes.
We will accept. Huh? Previously in refinement, we don't have these tickets. Right now in the current sprint, we got these tickets, different tickets. Are you going to accept those tickets?
Okay, we are already in the sprint.
No, no, no. We are not in the sprint. Before starting the sprint, we are refining for few sprints. Just
Okay.
consider 6 sprints. We want to refine the sessions, refine the
Mm-hmm.
tickets. For the
Mm-hmm.
6 sprints, we don't have the Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
Okay. Now he brought some Bhagavad Gita tickets. Are we going to accept those?
No.
No. What we did in the refinement, we have some agreementations, right? In the
Yes.
refinement sessions, we worked for ticket number 1 to ticket number 60. But he brought some other tickets and he's saying us to complete those tickets. Are we going to accept those tickets?
No.
No, right? So before starting the sprints, we are going to have the refinement sessions. Okay, Kanchan?
But Manoj, ideally we should
Yes.
not be accepting, but practically this is what happens.
What happens?
Like they come up with some other requirement and that would be the priority, and so we have to prioritize something else.
See, the things are different, Surabhi. See, whatever the product vision are there, just consider we have a product vision, guys. Okay, this is a new project. We are going to develop the important features. Okay, for that important features, we have a discussion on that, and that kept for a releases. Okay, if we had any changes, we are going to get some notice, right? So these are the changes that been happened. But if we don't have any notice, now initially product owner brings to us. How can we do that, Surabhi, without having any mock-up screens or any data? Right or wrong?
Yeah, we cannot.
Yes, that is the thing. I got your question. Whatever it might be. But initially, if we have the 100% of project, then we can do it,
Hmm.
right? Based upon the modules, right?
Yeah.
Right. That is the thing. See, if we don't have any modules, that is like a books module. He wants to develop a book module, but we are not on that page. Where were we? We are in the home screen, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
We can't
Hmm.
develop that. We can develop that, but where to keep that ticket? We can't keep that anywhere. That is like a useless ticket for current sprints,
Hmm. Yeah.
right? So that's how we are going to do it, guys. Okay. Now what we are doing here, we are not accepting this. Yes, yes. Please mute yourself, guys.
In agile methodology, there is no BRD, SRD.
Everything will be there. Everything will be there. Everything will be there. Okay. The same process in waterfall methodology, what we have learned, the same process, but we have upgraded some things. That's it. Some new roles. The new roles are Scrum Master and a Product Owner, and removed some roles. That is called as back, business analyst. Okay, Kanchan?
Yes.
Okay. Coming to the sprint backlog, whatever the requirements are there, now product owner will keep it here. Just consider he brought some 20 tickets. Do you think we are going to complete these 20 tickets in a single sprint? Guys, yes or no? Surabhi,
Yes, Manoj?
are you going to complete these 20 tickets? Whatever the product owner brings here to the sprint backlog?
So based on the complexity or the criticality of the tickets, we will
No,
split
no,
it
no.
into the
Mhm.
sprints.
We don't
No.
do that. No, we
Okay.
don't do
Whatever
that.
we have considered in the sprint backlog, that we have to complete during the sprint.
Okay. Just consider product owner brought 100 tickets. Are you going to complete those 100 tickets
In a single sprint?
in single sprint?
No.
How we are going to complete those things?
Those will be broken into different sprints.
Okay. Ultimately, we are going to broken down
Ultimately, we
into,
have to finish, yes.
but initially sprint one, he brought 100 tickets. How many tickets you will pick up in 100 tickets? Are you going to have complete 100 tickets? What you will do? What is your process?
No, we will have the story points assigned to all the tasks.
No, that is not the correct answer. If you do story point estimations also, what you will do? You will do for 100 tickets.
Yeah, we will do for 100 tickets, but then based on the capacity of the team
Yes,
for
based
current
upon the
sprint, we
capacity.
will be considering the story points.
Yes, based upon the capacity planning, we are going to consider it. Okay, guys, based upon the capacity planning. See, we have a capacity planning. Based upon the capacity planning, how many hours are left, right? Just consider we are having 1,000 hours, working hours, like productivity hours is 1,000. Just consider we have 1,000 hours here. For that 1,000 hours only, we are going to pick up the tickets. Understood, guys?
Yes, Manoj.
For that 1,000 hours, we got only 12 tickets, guys. We are going to pick only 12 tickets. Okay, we are going to pick only 12 tickets. What about the remaining 88 tickets? We move back to the product backlog. Right or wrong, Surabhi?
Yes.
Simple logic, guys. Okay, simple logic. How many you went to a marriage? Okay, you went to a marriage. There is a group of friends are there. Your friends are there. Your friends are treating you like a hell. What they are saying? Eat this, eat this, eat this. Okay, your plate was full. Can you eat the whole food, guys? Kanchan?
No.
No. What is your capacity? You can eat up to 1 plate of biryani and 2 to 3 sweets, and any hot is there. You can eat any hots or any mocktails or any drinks. That is your capacity. But your friends are keeping all the items. There are 300 items are there. Your friends are saying to you to eat all the items. Can you eat it?
So who will decide which story points we are going to work?
Which story points?
We are going to work in this sprint.
No, no,
Product
no.
owner will decide.
That is out of thing. I will explain all those things in Jira. Okay, that is not required right now. Okay, story points, estimations is not required right now. That is like out of syllabus. Okay, first of all, we have to understand these things. Okay, future concepts we don't require. Okay, estimations, okay, story point estimations, all those things I will explain in Jira. Right now, we have to understand these things. I can explain, but it is more complicated.
No, I'm just asking
Mhm.
about sprint only.
Okay, about sprint work, who is going to give the story points?
Yeah. Product owner
Developers.
write
Developers.
the requirement,
No,
and
no, no. Mhm.
we have, uh, as you say, 100 in sprint.
Mhm.
So who will decide which 100 in sprint and
No, no,
which
no.
one we have to work on?
Yes, the things are like based upon the priority. See here, there is a highest, right? If you can click on here, there is a highest. It is showing, right? Product owner will bring 100 requirements. Okay. Now what we do based upon this number, A13, A14, A15, like an order, we will estimate the tickets. Okay. Now we have 100 hours of time. Now based upon this 100 hours of time, we are picking up the tickets, guys. Sorry, 1000 hours, right? How many tickets we got for 1000 hours? Just consider these 6 tickets. These 5 tickets we are working for 1000 hours. Okay, we are going to pick only this 1000 items. Sorry, 5 tickets, and remaining tickets. What we do? We keep in the backlog. Just consider we have a ticket here. What we do? A19 we will remove from here and we will keep in the backlog. Understood? Kanchan?
So who is going to product owner will keep or anybody can keep?
I mean, moving the tickets.
Yeah.
Moving the tickets will be done by the product owner.
Okay.
Okay.
He will decide we are not working on
Yes,
this
yes, yes,
ticket and this is trend.
yes, 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 yes. Just consider he brought 100 tickets. Okay, 100 tickets are there, but he is saying to work 100 tickets. We can't complete 100 tickets. We can complete only these 5 tickets in the current sprint. Remaining 95 tickets, what we do? We will move back to the backlog. Okay, this is the sprint backlog, guys. Okay, from here to here, what we will do? We will remove 95 items and we will keep it here. Okay, Kanchan?
Yeah. So five requirement
Mm-hmm.
are in a sprint backlog, right?
Yes, right now in the 5 hour, we are going to complete.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
Manoj.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, on what basis we are saying that we can't do 100 tickets? So, capacity planning, you said capacity planning, we have 1,000 hours. So, on what basis we are moving out 95 tickets? Like, based on
Yes.
what?
To
Actually,
complete this ticket, we are going to work on hours or any minutes?
hours only.
Hours only, right?
Right.
Right. Just to consider this ticket, I'm asking the developers who are working on this ticket.
Developers only.
Developers. Now, developers has to give the time, right?
Yes.
They said that to complete this ticket, 200 hours.
Okay. Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
like that. Everyone will
Yeah.
leads will be there.
Okay.
Dev lead
Okay.
is there, right? So dev lead will give time.
Okay.
Based upon time, we are going to calculate 1000 hours. Now we
Yeah.
have calculated 5 tickets.
Okay, got it,
right?
Manoj. Yeah.
Right. 5 tickets calculated, and we are full with our capacity. What we will do? We
Yeah,
will
there is
remove
no bandwidth.
remaining tickets.
Yeah, there is no bandwidth for us. Yeah.
Yes, there is no backup time. What we
Yeah.
will do? We will remove all the remaining tickets. Just consider. I will add a few more tickets here. Manoj, how you are adding? Okay, I will make you to do these things also. Okay, no worries in that. Okay, now we have taken only 5 tickets, right? What I'm doing? I'm removing the tickets, remaining tickets. Okay, I'm keeping it in the backlog, guys. Okay, what is the time? Sorry, yeah, 9. The time is 9. Huh? I didn't check it here. See how I'm moving back the tickets? Right? I moved back the tickets. Right? Initially, how many tickets are there? We are having only 5 tickets. Right or wrong? Now we are going to work on only these 5 tickets. Understood, Kanchan?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue from here, guys. Any doubts up to here? Kanchan,
No,
any
Manoj.
doubts?
No,
Okay,
Manoj, clear.
clear. Vijay?
No, Manoj.
Okay, Surabhi?